Hi, I'm Jude Thompson and this is my school.
Whenever I started Magherafelt High School, I thought it was going to be quite difficult to make new friends and talk to new people. But whenever I got settled in, I made so many new friends and it was really easy as well.
We are a bit like a family. We all genuinely care for one another.
Where would you like Jude to look? Camera.
I get through this today.
So my name is Mrs. Anderson and I'm the principal of Magherafelt High School. So I'm a relatively new principal here at Magherafelt High School and it's an amazing place to be. For me, I think there is this phenomenally impressive building. So the building is very modern, it is in many ways really sophisticated. We have phenomenal ICT facilities. The scale of the actual site is huge as well. But juxtaposed within that is a family feel. So at the heart of this school is that sense of community. And for me that is from your receptionist through to your caretaker, to your dinner ladies, to your cleaning staff. Every single person knows one another. So even before the child reaches the classroom, there's this sense of knowing about the people you're working with and genuinely caring for them.
As a school, we've seen many Year 8s enter the school and leave again at the end of Year 12 or Year 14. Some going on to do wonderful jobs, wonderful things in industry, the local community and even further afield. Again, that is evident of the good careers that we have in school.
I don't think I would be where I am today without this school. For me, it was a school that really pushed me creatively, and I now have my own production company called Beyond Borders, and I do a lot of freelance photography and videography. Apart from the academic, the creativeness that you get from this school push you into drama, arts, music, and really celebrate who you are.
What I love most about this school is all the after schools, playing with my friends. Friends is the best.
Yeah, that's one of my big memories in school. Was definitely in school. We were all classed as a big team. I never experienced playing netball in primary school, so that was something new coming into high school that I've never experienced before. Who knew that I would end up doing football along with that?
So I play for Mayo outside of school, and at primary school I played football as well. So I play football at secondary now as well. I go to netball, choir and hockey.
Netball, choir and hockey? How
Yeah.
do you get time to do all those things?
It's very hard and you're very tired, and after hockey I have to eat my dinner really quickly, do my homework and then go to football.
Football on Tuesdays, hockey on Thursdays, netball's on Tuesdays as well for girls. And yeah, it's fun.
What's your favourite dance move?
I like a lot of dance moves, but it's probably shimmying.
Shimmy. Let's
Yeah.
see some shimmying. Show me some shimmying.
In the morning I go to the musical theatre dance thing, and I go in, and what we do is we dance with the drama teacher, and she teaches us a new dance every week, but it's nice and short and simple. This morning we done a new dance to Hairspray, and it was really fun, and I really like to go to the dance in the morning because it makes me smile every morning.
Welcome back, we're right back to it.
My name's Mr. Fleming and I'm the Vice Principal here in Magherafelt High School. I've taught here for 20 odd years, more than 20 odd years, and like many of our pupils, we have a real affinity to the school, a real love for the school. The high school here has been part of the Magherafelt and the wider Mid-Ulster area since 1956. We moved into our new state-of-the-art buildings almost 10 years ago. We have approximately 600 pupils. Numbers have grown significantly over this past number of years. Magherafelt High School is a community. Although we've been in existence since 1956, everyone still has that affinity towards the school once they leave. Staff are always keen to find out how past pupils have got on. Because we're such a close-knit community, it's very important that we celebrate the success of pupils in the past. We've always had a sporting field, we've always had creative fields, we've always had dramatic societies, and over the years we've had various productions, sporting successes, and we always try and keep in contact with all the individuals that's involved in that. Everyone will certainly remember the old school, the building and the porta cabins. The time was right that we moved to the new school, but we still have that heart of Magherafelt High School, caring for the individual, and I think that will always stay with us. Despite moving into the new school, obviously we needed to move into new updated facilities, but the heart of the old school still remains, and everybody has that sense of community.
I came from Knocklocken Primary.
Well, when I started high school, I was so scared. I even felt sick, and I was in a lot of stress. And I was doing a test that day too, so I was really, really scared. But then I really settled down whenever I remembered that everyone was in that situation and the principal was talking, and I just calmed down. But I knew a girl from my church, and then she knew like more girls, and then that girl knew more, and it really just grew. And now we got a big massive friend group, and they're all really, really nice.
When I first got the bus, one of my friends actually got the bus, so that helped a lot, and it was it was easy to get the bus. It wasn't hard, it wasn't scary, it was just
A big change, but it's fun.
The skills I've gained here are very important for all jobs in the industry which I'd be interested in. It's very useful when you're going into a job which is based around computers and electronics. So it will help in every way possible and help boost your reputation and portfolio whenever you're going to get a job or apply to university courses.
I hope to do midwifery and hopefully stay at Queen's, or just do general nursing, of some sort of nursing. But through school, like all the leadership roles I've had, may that be school council, anti-bullying ambassador, you can get to sign up to them all, and you get the opportunity to become a leader as such, or voice your opinion, which will really help me when I come to be a nurse. The leadership role is like the main thing, and to be a sociable person and communication is like a main thing in nursing.
My name is Emma Beckett, and I am Head of Pastoral in Magherafelt High School and the designated teacher for safeguarding. At Magherafelt High School we place a great significance on pastoral care. We feel it's incredibly important that every child feels safe and secure in our environment, therefore able and willing to learn and be successful. Family is really important to us at Magherafelt High School, and my role often involves supporting families so that we can all work together to help our children fulfil their potential. We also place a great emphasis on positive links and good communication between school and home, working in partnership to achieve the best outcomes for your child. Communication is a key aspect of life in school. This has been increased by our introduction of the Sims Parent app, where you can keep track of your child's attendance, achievements and school reports. We are proud of how proactive our young people are and their invaluable contribution to the life of school as Take 5 Wellbeing Ambassadors, Diana Award Anti-Bullying Ambassadors, our very enthusiastic school council members and our excellent sixth form leadership prefect team. We have and expect high standards of achievement across all ability ranges in our school, and we place a focus on providing for the needs of all our pupils so they can succeed. For pupils who require additional support, we have a fantastic team of experienced teachers and committed learning support assistants. We have an excellent learning support centre for those pupils who are directed towards it by the Education Authority, and our hub is an area aimed at specifically meeting the diverse needs of our pupils, and it is an area where pupils can meet and socialise together in a relaxed but less crowded setting. If you have any specific questions regarding additional needs, please contact the school to speak to our Key Stage 3 SENCO, Mrs McBride.
So for me, what's at the heart of it, what struck me, absolutely this sense of pride and passion and commitment, and the genuine love that people had for this school. And not just the school as the new flashy building, but the school as it was way back in the 50s, 60s, 70s. This is a school with a legacy and people who are so proud to be connected with it.